What shall we talk about, gentlemen? Hey guys, this is Isaac, and today I have another set review for you. This is the BRICKHEADZ Go Brick Me, which apparently you can build yourself in BRICKHEADZ form as like a little doll of yourself kind of thing. Um, this is not a new set per se, so don't get mad at me that I'm kind of behind on set buying. But this is like a crazy cool set because it's more than 700 pieces are come in the set, and it's only $25, which is like really good price for that many pieces. Um, and I think Lego lost money on this set, but I sure like it, and I might even buy another one. So I'm going to unbox it and then do a time lapse of me building myself. And apparently you can build two BRICKHEADZ, so I'll build someone else also. And then I can sort of zoom in and show you how the BRICKHEADZ turned out, and show you all the extra pieces that I have left to use for other things. So I've got my handy scissors here. Get this thing open. The box is like really glossy compared to other Lego boxes. I don't know why. It's like a special edition set kind of, but it's 10 and up. I don't know why they made the graphics on it look sort of like the little kid stuff, but 10 and up meaning that someone 10 years old up to a 100-year-old can buy this. And I've seen that adult builders have bought this set and made themselves, so there's no shame in buying this set. So let's see, we have big instruction booklet, a lot of stickers. That's one thing I really like about this set, is it comes with so many stickers that are going to be really useful for use on my BRICKHEADZ, the BRICKHEADZ of myself, but also for lots of other things too. There's a lot of cool stuff on here. So we got that, and then we have, let's see, we have 7 bags. There are some pieces made in crazy colors in this set, and I'm gonna have so much fun using these pieces and other things. So let's get started. The time lapse will begin, and I will build myself. So yeah. Okay guys, I finished the BRICKHEADZ of myself. It turned out really good. I really like how it looked. I haven't put the stickers on yet, but I will do that. I'm gonna make it a sort of a sweatshirt, lime green sweatshirt. So now I'm going to build the next person who may or may not be my girlfriend. You decide. Okay guys, I finished the other BRICKHEADZ, who, like I said, may or may not be my girlfriend. And so let's zoom in and check out these new BRICKHEADZ a little bit closer, see how they turned out. And as you can see, I have lots of pieces left. I actually am close to having enough pieces to make a third BRICKHEADZ. I would need a few extra pieces, but other than that, I could really make another one. But I'm not going to do that in this video. Maybe I'll do that in a video to come. The instruction booklet is a little bit difficult to use for some, like if there are some people not very acquainted with Lego, this would be a little bit difficult for them to figure out. But it was easy for me, and so yeah, I'm gonna put the stickers on, and then we're gonna zoom in and see them up close, all the detail. Okay guys, here's the set. 2 BRICKHEADZ and actually one more. Just a note, if you buy this set, you will not be able to do the one more, but you will be able to make 2. And as you can see, there are lots and lots of extra pieces. And there's even a bag. This is the first time I've ever done this. The first time I've ever gotten a set and not opened all the bags. I simply didn't need the orange pieces, so I didn't open that bag. It probably will get opened, and the pieces will be used eventually. This is a large enough set that it comes with a brick separator, which is cool. And I have lots of extra stickers. Those will be so useful for so many builds. I love the stickers, that's great. So first we'll start with the BRICKHEADZ. As you can see, I made myself in BRICKHEAD form, and he looks pretty good. The stickers and the lime green, the book, the square glasses, all combined to make it look like me, even the brown spiky hair. So let's move on to the other 2. Okay, so the other 2 BRICKHEADZ, as you can see, are my girlfriend and a random black dude. This is not based on anyone I know. I just wanted to make a black guy since I had made a basic flesh-colored one and the medium skin-colored one, but I hadn't made a black guy, so I decided as my third one I would make someone black. And this is who he is. He's, I guess he's a rapper. Kind of looks like a rapper. He's got a microphone and stuff. As some of you know, I like rap music, so kind of a good choice there. But like I said, you're going to need some of your own pieces to make a third person. You're going to need some more of the side stud bricks for the like all around the face and the arms and stuff. But other than that, I had enough pieces to make the hair, the skin, and even the eyes. I was surprised. There are actually 2 extra eye pieces instead of just 1, because one pair of eyes has an extra, and the other pair of eyes has an extra because they come in 2 different bags. And that was a super surprising thing, and also really exciting because now I have 6 BRICKHEADZ eyes. Then there's my girlfriend. She looks really good in BRICKHEAD form. She's sort of a world traveler, so she's got like a world map on her chest, which is one of the stickers. Hang on, let it focus. No, whatever. But world map, and then she's got a camera and briefcase. And then this is a custom hair thing. This isn't in the instructions. I just made the hair like this. She's got a ponytail and she's got hair hanging down the side and earrings. There were gold and silver earrings in this set, so I was able to give earrings to both the rapper and the girlfriend. Then so many extra pieces. These are going to be really useful for other builds. And like I said, we've got the orange pieces, which I can just open up now. So there's those. So yeah, I guess that's all for this set. This is actually a set I might consider buying another one of, just to make more pieces, more BRICKHEADZ of people I know, and also to get even more of these stickers. So yeah, this is a great set. You should go buy it. It's really cheap, actually. I always complain in my set reviews about the price of Legos, which really is getting kind of crazy. But for this set, it's actually really good. So many pieces came in this set, and it was really cheap. I know I'm ranting about this, but it's amazing. You should go buy the set.